Can you set up Apple Pay in the Philippines? Now, I'll start off by saying if you have lived in the Philippines for a really long time and you're a citizen there, then you probably can't set up Apple Pay in the Philippines because it's not officially supported by the Philippines government yet. So if you try to add any cards into your Apple Pay, it won't work. But if you're a tourist and you're traveling to the Philippines, your Apple Pay will work as normal. So you just need to add your debit card from a foreign country. If you want to do that, you just have to go to your Apple iPhone here and you want to scroll down and then you just want to go to wallet. And then on wallet, you just want to add card like this and then just wait for it to add a card. And then that's that. So just add a card and then you'll be able to. But the R card will have to be from a foreign country, not the Philippines. And you probably won't be able to use it much because in the Philippines, of course, Apple Pay is unsupported. So any tap payment methods won't be available as well. But nevertheless, there is no geo restriction, just a lot of other restriction about that as well. So using it in the Philippines is not inherently wrong. But if you are a citizen from the Philippines and you only have credit, debit, or any other card from Philippines as well naturally, then you won't be able to set up Apple Pay just yet.